recently went to Five Below and I picked up something that I am super skeptical about. Ta-da! It's a motorized pottery wheel. So yeah, you can probably tell why I'm kind of skeptical about whether this is gonna work because, like I said, it's only $5 and it seems too good to be true. But I mean, it seems like it has everything that we need, which is kind of cool. So I'm really excited to try it out. But yeah, let's not waste any more time and open up this bad boy and see what I'm gonna make. Maybe it's good, maybe it's bad. I guess we'll see. So I want to show you what we got. We got these little paint things that I've already put inside the areas. I don't know what to call it. We also got like 6 different colors of clay, which these are absolutely adorable. They honestly make me kind of want to eat them. They look like candy. And we got a paintbrush, so that's good. Oh, I actually think it goes right here. Nice. We also got some super glue, which I'm not too sure why. I guess we'll find out later. And there was a string that now I don't know where I put. Oh my god, where did the string go? Okay, I found it. So yeah, here is the piece of string. And I'm guessing it goes onto these little handles. So probably to cut the clay and stuff, so that's kind of cool. We also got a lot of air dry clay, and it's quite a bit. Okay, yeah, I do think that these 2 pieces are meant for the wire, but honestly, it's more of a hassle, so I just put the wire in my pocket. So yeah, I'm not gonna lose it, I promise. It says that I have to get a pot of water, or like a little dish of water, so I'm gonna go do that. And I also brought paper towels just in case. Oh yeah, don't mind my PJs. Yumi sadly left us, but let's go ahead and see if this thing even works. And I think it's over here. Oh, okay, is it not working because this fell off? Okay, no, did they not give batteries? I thought this came with batteries. So fair warning, it doesn't come with the batteries, and you're gonna need the giant ones. These are like humongous batteries. I've never used these big of batteries ever in my life, so just keep that in mind. Oh, it's working. Okay, hold on. Stop. That's awesome. So it works. I thought it was broken, but it's working. And there seems to be 2 settings. So there's slow and then fast. So that's fast. That's slow. And that's off. Okay, so now it's saying to wet your piece of air dry clay by thoroughly kneading it for about 5 minutes with your hands. I guess let's go ahead and do that. I'm guessing it's the entire thing of clay. Or should I just use half of it? I'm not too sure, it doesn't really tell me. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna use the whole thing and maybe I'll just try to make a big piece. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves for this. So let me track 5 minutes and we're just gonna knead this until there's no air bubbles. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and I've been kneading this thing. Just gonna go ahead and slam this thing right into the center of this guy. All right, here we go. Did that work? Ah! Ah! It's a disaster. No. Okay. Maybe we need water. It's saying that if it stops that I'm putting too much pressure on it, but I'm barely putting any pressure. Okay. Maybe it needs to go to a higher setting. You should see Yumi's face. I'm gonna try to form it into a ball, but it's not really like wanting to mold. I don't know, I'm thinking I press it down with one hand, like that, good as it's getting. I can't do anything else with it, otherwise the machine just freaks out. So now I'm just gonna push my thumb and try to make a hole. Okay, hold on. Wow! That does not look like a vase. What do you think? Looking good, huh? It's very abstract. This just does not look like anything. Alright, I'm gonna try to redo this. I'm gonna try to make something better. So, give me a second. It's a little better than the first time, but it's not very much of a vase. It's more like a circle with a hole on it, but better than the first one. So yeah, oh, there's so much water everywhere. Yeah, it's definitely quite messy, so be prepared if you do get this kit, or maybe I'm just very messy. Alright, I grabbed the plate. Hopefully this works, but I'll put it right here. And let's just do what it says. Okay. How do I move it? I don't know how to guide this. Oh, you know what? Maybe I like take it off. Okay. Oh no, it's so slippery. Okay. So I guess now we're just gonna let this dry and then we can decorate it and stuff like that. So I guess I'm gonna clean up this mess. I actually just got a brilliant idea. What if I use this as a turntable for photography and like some cool shots that I can get? Because I don't know, it kind of seems like the same thing. So let's see, maybe I could do that. Wow! Ow! Okay, wait, I think I made it work. Yeah! It's the next day, and while I was waiting for my clay piece to dry, I finished up the Etsy listing for my 2025 calendar. It is finally here, and I absolutely love it. It comes with a little easel holder, and the front and the back page are laminated so it doesn't get messed up. And inside, all the pages are made from cardstock to make sure that they don't bend. I feel like they are just super cute and it's exactly how I wanted it to look like, so I'm very proud of myself. But yeah, just a little shameless plug. I am very proud of these, so if you want to go ahead and grab yourself one or for a friend, I'll go ahead and leave the link in the comments below. And besides that, let me go ahead and show you what the clay thing looks like. So here it is, and it's very, very cold. So now I am thinking of using these little guys that it came with, and maybe it will look a little better than this. So we'll see. Alright, so here is my clay piece, and here are all the little mini air dry clay packets, and as you can see we have the rainbow, which I absolutely love the rainbow. I think it's so cute. And you know what? I'm thinking we do a little rainbow vase thing. Who saw that coming? Oh wow, this actually feels super cool. I hope it stays. Oh, it does not. Oh, that's probably why they gave the super glue. Okay, I see. So I tried putting the super glue and attaching the air dry clay onto it, but it just fell off, so that's not gonna do. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna try to do is just paint this whole thing, maybe add like little polka dots and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that because I do not think that the super glue is really super glue. It's just regular old glue, so that's not gonna work. So yeah, I decided to paint the entire thing white, and off camera I also used the clay that they gave, or the weird foam thing, to make some flowers for the vase. So I am just letting that dry, and in the meantime I'm thinking of using these paint tubes that they gave us and maybe just putting some polka dots around the vase to make it a little bit more colorful. And yeah, that's about it. So let's go ahead and do that. Voila! So I'm just gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then we can put the flowers in and see the whole thing together. So here's the final vase, and yes, it's very lumpy and there's a lot of, bumps to it, but I still had a lot of fun making this. And you know what? Yeah, it kind of is a gimmick, I'm not gonna lie, but at least I have a cool turntable now. Wow! It was a lot of fun reviewing this little kit, and would I suggest it? Yeah, I don't know if I would suggest this kit. I mean, I truly think it's more of a gimmick than anything, so yeah, I think you should just save your $5, but it was fun nonetheless, and you know what? I wouldn't have been able to make my lumpy vase. Besides that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!